Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update WhatsApp to the latest version on both your iPhone and Android. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, in this video I will tell you two different ways to update your WhatsApp to the latest version, and all of your problems will be solved in this video. The first one is to simply head over to the App Store or Play Store and simply search for WhatsApp. And after searching it, it will appear in front of you, and you will have to tap on update, and it will start updating, and it will take a few seconds to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. But and on Android, you can go to the Play Store and simply search and do the same process. Now the question is that if it says update, if it says open, and technically your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, but you still don't have access to some features, so in that case you can simply head over to the settings of your iPhone or Android and then hit general and then hit iPhone storage. And if you are on an Android, you can head over to the settings and then go to the app section and find WhatsApp and then open WhatsApp. And on an iPhone you'll have to offload app and then hit offload, and okay, it will, and then reinstall app. And on Android you will have to first of all clear cache and then clear storage, and make sure before doing that you have backed up your data, and then hit uninstall and then reinstall your WhatsApp from the Play Store, and it will be automatically updated to the latest version. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.